Go away, you bad old dog. Go away from me. I don't like you, dog. I don't like dogs at all. Big dogs, little dogs, any dogs at all. I don't want that stick. Don't give it to me. If I throw the stick, will you go away? There now, go away with your stick. What do you want now? If I throw it again, will you go away? Don't jump on me, dog. I don't like that. Go away, you old dog. Go on home now. No, you have a home. Well, that is too bad. But you cannot come home with me. Don't wag your tail at me. I don't like dogs. You are not bad for a dog, but I don't like dogs. Say, do that again. Roll over again. Dog, say that is not bad. Can you shake hands? This is how to shake hands. Don't lick my hand. Stop that, you old dog. If I play with you, will you go away? Alright, let's run, dog. Can you run as fast as I can? You can run fast. Alright. That was fun. Like, maybe we can play again. But I have to go home now. No, you cannot come. Go away now, dog. Don't look so sad, dog. Don't lick my hand. Can I help it if you don't have a home? Why don't you go away? You like me, don't you, you old dog? Well, I like you too. Alright, I give up. Come on home, dog. Come on, let's run.